If we are asked by them at any stage to help, only then we should come forward and extend a helping hand. The Indian role in Afghanistan and the Afghan peace is going to be that of a spoiler. But other regional countries, especially Pakistan, Iran, China and Russia, should have discrete contacts to ensure that the long-awaited intra-Afghan talks are not derailed by spoilers. Such consultations will bridge the trust deficit, if any, and the convergence of interests can lead to a uniform stance. A solo flight by Pakistan can result in a situation like the one in 1990s. It will, however, be advisable not to issue public statements which may be misconstrued by any of the Afghan factions. All these countries, that is Russia, China, Iran and Pakistan, plus Central Asian republics, should realize that failure of the intra-Afghan dialogue is not an option. An Afghan civil war means more refugees in Iran and Pakistan, a stronger Daesh, a more narco trade, and less economic activity in the region. Iran's negative reaction to the peace deal was not a good omen. Iran has a stake in the Persian-speaking Tajiks and Hazaras in Afghanistan and a reason for its proxy representation there. If engaged by Pakistan, China or Russia, or approached directly by Taliban with some assurances, it may side with peace in Afghanistan. In short, consistent monitoring will be required not only by the regional stakeholders but also by the US to see that the peace process is not disrupted by the spoilers. Perhaps the quadrilateral group of the US, Russia, China and Pakistan can be used for such monitoring. In Pakistan, we need to understand that peace and stability in Afghanistan is more important for us than a friendly government in Kabul. If we are able to get the best of both worlds, why not? But if it's not possible and we have to prioritize our options, peace in Afghanistan should be dearer to us. And last but not the least, Pakistan and other regional countries should continue to make a contribution towards reconstruction and development of Afghanistan. Pakistan should do everything possible to outreach and help the people of Afghanistan. The education and health facilities for Afghans should continue. We should rather increase health facilities for them, especially in our border areas. The trade and transit trade needs to be facilitated more and more. At regional level, Pakistan and China can come up with joint economic initiatives for Afghanistan. Moreover, the quadrilateral group of the US, Russia, China and Afghanistan can also be used for initiating economic projects. In such a case, the group may co-opt Afghanistan for this purpose, and it can be called Quad +1 or something, 4+1. In brief, while knowing what to do, more importantly, we should also know what not to do.